Hey there, fellow runners. Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you lace up your shoes and hit the pavement for just 30 minutes every day? Well, you're in for a treat because today, we're diving deep into the incredible changes that occur within your body when you commit to a daily running routine. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, let's talk about the magic of running. First off, let's talk about your cardiovascular system. When you run, your heart works harder to pump oxygen, rich blood to your muscles, improving your overall cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that just 30 minutes of running per day can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. As you run, your blood vessels expand, allowing for better circulation and delivering nutrients and oxygen to every part of your body. This increased blood flow not only boosts your energy levels, but also promotes cell regeneration and enhances your immune system, helping you stay healthier and more resilient against illnesses. Next up, let's talk about the impact of running on your muscles and bones. Running is a weight-bearing exercise, which means it helps strengthen your bones and muscles, reducing your risk of osteoporosis and improving your overall bone density. When you run, your leg muscles, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves, work together to propel you forward. Over time, this repetitive motion helps build lean muscle mass, tones your legs, and improves your overall muscle strength and endurance. But that's not all. Running also does wonders for your mental health. When you run, your brain releases endorphins, often referred to as the feel-good hormones, which can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Plus, the sense of accomplishment and satisfaction you get from completing a run can boost your self-esteem and confidence, empowering you to tackle whatever challenges come your way. So there you have it, folks. Running for just 30 minutes every day can do wonders for your body, from improving your cardiovascular health and strengthening your muscles to boosting your mood and mental well-being. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and leave a comment below letting me know your thoughts on running. Until next time, happy running.